Hello students, some more questions based on substitution or partial fraction. So see this question. Again we will divide numerator and denominator by x square. Then you consider only its integrand. Integrand is here x square by x4 plus 1. After reducing it, we will apply its symbol and integral sign. So divide its numerator and denominator by x square, then 1 by x square plus 1 by x square. Now again we have to apply here substitution. For that 1x 1 plus 1 by x square and plus 1 minus 1 by x square is equal to 2. So 1 can be written in the form of this divided by 2. So 1 by 2 and this is equal to 1 plus 1 by x square and plus 1 by 1 minus x square. And 1 minus 1 by x square divided by x square plus 1 by x square. Now divide it separately. 1 by 2, 1 plus 1 by x square divided by x square plus 1 by x square, and then plus 1 minus 1 by x square divided by x square plus 1 by x square and 1 by 2. Now you change this x minus 1 by x form. Here x plus 1 by x form. So for that 1 by 2, 1 plus 1 by x square and then x minus 1 by x whole square and plus 2 form. Now here minus 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by x square and then x plus 1 by x whole square and then minus 2. After that we have to apply substitution. So put here integral sign. Integral of this so in first integral we substitute x minus 1 by x equals to u and x plus 1 by x equals to v. So after that it will be 1 by 2 dx also we have to write, then 1 by 2 and du by u square plus root 2 whole square. As we have done in the previous question, if we differentiate this, then 1 plus 1 by x square dx equals to du, and second one 1 minus 1 by x square dx equals to dv, that I am putting here. So minus 1 by 2 and dv by v square minus root 2 whole square. After that we have formula. So apply the formula. 1 by 2, 1 by a, 1 by root 2 and tan inverse x by a. X is here u. So you substitute the value of u here. X minus 1 by x by root 2 and minus 1 by 2 log. So 1 by 2a, that is 2 root 2 and log of u v minus root 2. V is here x minus 1 by x, sorry, x plus 1 by x. So x plus 1 by x and minus root 2 divided by x minus 1 by x plus root 2 modulo sign and plus c. Now another question, evaluate tan theta under root d theta. This is one of the important question. How we will solve this? This is not directly in that form, but if you change this, it will come in that form. So here you put tan theta equals to t. Tan theta equals to t or x you can take. Tan theta equals to x you take. X, so that square root will remove x square. So differentiating both sides, then sec square theta d theta equals to 2x dx. Now d theta is equal to 2x dx by sec square theta. But we have to change it into x only. So sec square theta can be written as 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta. Now 2x dx by 1 plus tan square theta. Tan theta is x square, so x4. So this question will become root of x square, and d theta is 2x by 1 plus x4 and dx. If you simplify this, you will get 2x and x square dx by 1 plus x4. Now we have come in that form, previous form. So after that we can solve this question by dividing x square, by dividing numerator and denominator by x square. So if you divide this, you will get 2 and 1 by x square and plus x square. So again 2 we are getting, so for 2 we can write 1 plus 1 by x square and plus 1 minus 1 by x square. So you write down that thing and divide separately. So it will be 1 plus 1 by x square divided by x square plus 1 by x square dx integral, then plus sign 1 minus 1 by x square divided by x square plus 1 by x square dx. Now we will substitute here x. One more step before substituting, we have to do 1 plus x square divided by x minus 1 by x whole square and then plus 2 dx, and here 1 minus 1 by x square divided by x plus 1 by x whole square and then minus 2 dx. So substitute in first x minus, in first x minus 1 by x equals to u, and in second x plus 1 by x equals to v. Then it will become du by u square plus root 2 whole square and plus dv by v square minus root 2 whole square integral. After that, you know how to write the answer of this question. So I am leaving for you. Now another question. Question is a root over tan theta plus root over cot theta d theta. This question also we can change in that form. So here you change it into tan theta completely. So it will be tan theta plus 1 by tan theta. So cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta. So if you simplify, you will get function like this. Now you apply tan theta equals to x square. So put tan theta equals to x square. Then again sec square theta d theta equals to 2x dx. So d theta is equal to 2x dx by sec square theta, that is 1 plus tan square theta or 1 plus x4. So this function will become tan theta plus 1. So tan theta is x square, 1 x square plus 1 by this is x, and d theta is 2x dx by 1 plus x4. This x is cancelled. So 2 x square plus 1 by x4 plus 1. This type of question I have solved. So after that you can solve this question. I am leaving this solution for you. Okay. Now one more question. Question is here. One by sin 4x plus cos 4x dx. This question also based on the previous types of integral. So here also you divide numerator and denominator. Divide numerator and denominator by cos 4x. See what it will change. 1 by cos 4x, that means sec of 4x dx, and in denominator tan 4x plus 1. A derivative of tan x is given, sec square x. So substitute here tan x equals to tan x equals to something another t. So put tan x equals to t, then sec square x dx equals to dt. So 1 sec square x will come here, and 1 sec square x will be 1 plus tan square x. So sec square x equals to 1 plus tan square x, and tan is t, so 1 plus t square. So completely I have changed in t. So 1 sec square x, 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square, and 1 sec square x dx is dt. So dt by here t4 plus 1. Now again we got this question as we have done previously. So this also, after that you know how to solve the question. So complete this question. I am leaving this question up for you. Okay, thank you. From the next class onwards we will study integration by bypass.